Welcome to the best picks. The best bandsaw light is probably one of the most important accessories you can get for your bandsaw, dramatically improving visibility and precision during cutting, ultimately leading to safer and more accurate cuts, saving you time, frustration, and potentially costly mistakes. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a weekend woodworker, a good bandsaw light can significantly elevate your woodworking or metalworking experience. Number 5. 13962T Band Saw. This powerful band saw is ready to tackle your toughest projects. Its robust motor and versatile design make it perfect for any workshop. It easily handles cuts up to 6 inches deep and nearly 10 inches wide. You'll have the power to handle a wide variety of materials. It accepts 72-inch blades ranging from 1/8 to 1/2 inch in size, giving you the precision you need for any job. Change blades quickly and easily. The large work table provides ample support for your materials, and it bevels up to 45 degrees for added versatility. Work comfortably and efficiently. It offers 2 speeds for optimal performance on various materials. Choose the speed that's right for the job. It comes with a stand for floor or bench top use, a work light, a 3-in-1 dust port, fence, miter gauge, and a 3/8-inch blade. Everything you need is included. Backed by a 2-year warranty, it's built to provide years of reliable service. Invest in quality and performance. What we like. It boasts 2 speeds for versatile cutting and a wide table for stability. If you need to cut deep and wide, and value a robust build, this is the one for you. Its powerful motor and large work surface make it ideal for serious woodworking projects. What people say. This WEN10 bandsaw arrived in a protective box, very well packed. Setup was very straightforward and the step-by-step instructions guide you through the finer procedure to get all the components dialed in. I've completed several projects so far and very happy with the results. Relatively easy to use. With the light and stand, it's a feature you'll usually only find as a separate purchase with other brands at double plus the price. The bandsaw was already perfectly set up as delivered and required no adjustments apart from the blade tension. I made a few test cuts that were just fine, then changed the blade to a 123 TPI hooked one for resawing. The adjustments took me about 10 minutes because they were new to me. Next time a blade swap will be quicker. I then resawed some 2x6 clear redwood and it was perfect. Clean cuts, no wonder, almost no blade marks. Number 4. FAJ Sewing Machine Light. It provides daylight-like clarity. See every detail of your project without any flickering or dimming, thanks to its 60 bright LEDs. Its 12-inch gooseneck is incredibly versatile. Position it perfectly for any task, from sewing to detailed work on machinery. The strong magnetic base keeps it secure on metal surfaces. Plus, included discs allow it to attach to almost any smooth surface. Save up to 90% on energy costs. With a lifespan of 50,000 hours, it will light up countless projects. We stand behind its quality. That's why it comes with a lifetime warranty. You're investing in quality, performance, and great customer service. What we like. This light offers crystal clear illumination with its many LEDs and a flexible gooseneck for precise positioning. If you need adjustable lighting for intricate tasks, this is perfect. Its magnetic base and adaptability make it suitable for various workspaces and hobbies. What people say. The magnetic base has a strong little magnet, and that's important to me because I place it on woodworking equipment. There's a lot of vibration with some of my equipment and this light is rock solid. The placement of the on-off switch on the base means I don't have to grab the light fixture itself to turn it on or off. Very handy. The flexible stem allows for almost any positioning of the light. The 60 LEDs make this a very bright light, which was much needed. The new light stays in any position I place it in, which makes it very versatile. Number 3. Craftsman Bandsaw Light Bulbs. These replacement bulbs are perfect for your Craftsman bandsaw. They provide 200 lumens of warm white light, making your workspace safer and easier to see in. With a simple bayonet mount, BA15D base, replacing these bulbs is quick and easy. No more struggling with difficult-to-reach bulbs. Each bulb is a 25-watt, 120-volt bulb, designed for long-lasting performance. Enjoy bright, reliable illumination for your projects. These bulbs provide a warm, inviting 2700K light, reducing eye strain and creating a comfortable atmosphere in your workshop. The light is perfect for detailed work. With every purchase, you're helping to bring light to those in need. A portion of the proceeds goes towards providing solar-powered lanterns to families without electricity. Your purchase makes a difference. These bulbs have a T9 shape, BA15D base, and measure 2.54 inches long and 0.85 inches in diameter. They are a direct replacement for #STD372252. What we like. This energy-efficient bulb provides a warm, inviting light. If you're looking for a simple, affordable replacement bulb that also supports a good cause, this is a great option. It's a small way to make a big difference. What people say. Fit perfectly and lit up my workpiece. Fit perfectly and gives good light to the work. Fit my Craftsman bandsaw as stated. Very satisfied. Number 2. Jet JWBS 14 LIT Bandsaw Light Kit. This light kit is designed to make your work easier. It's specifically made for the Jet JWBS 14 SFX bandsaw, providing bright illumination for precise cuts. It features energy-efficient LED lights, ensuring a long lifespan and reducing your energy consumption. You'll have clear visibility of your work. Installation is a breeze. All the necessary mounting bolts and a hex key are included in the package. With this kit, you'll enjoy superior visibility while working on your bandsaw projects. No more squinting or straining your eyes. It's backed by Jet's industry-leading 1-year warranty against manufacturing defects. You can trust in its quality and reliability. Upgrade your bandsaw experience today with the Jet JWBS 14 LIT Light Kit. Enjoy brighter, more precise cuts with ease. What we like. This LED light kit is specifically designed for seamless integration with your Jet bandsaw. If you own a Jet bandsaw and want brighter, more efficient lighting, this is your solution. It's a simple upgrade for improved visibility during operation. What people say. Light is solid and bright. Works well and illuminates stock being cut. Much brighter than I anticipated. Nice light, attached easily to saw, very bright. Number 1. Makita 2107 FZK Band Saw. This is the Makita 2107 FZK portable band saw, designed for power and precision. It's perfect for a wide range of cutting applications. It features a powerful 6.5 amp motor, providing the muscle you need for demanding jobs. This ensures smooth cuts even through tough materials. With its variable speed dial, you can easily adjust the speed from 200 to 350 feet per minute. This allows you to match the speed to the material being cut for optimal performance. A built-in LED light illuminates the cutting area, providing excellent visibility. This makes it easier to make precise cuts, even in low-light conditions. The adjustable front handle enhances maneuverability and comfort during use. This reduces user fatigue and improves control. It has no lock-on feature, so it automatically turns off when you release the switch. This added safety feature helps prevent accidents. It boasts a large cutting capacity of 4-3-4 x 4-3-4 inches. This makes it suitable for a wide variety of projects. The Makita 2107 FZK Band Saw is a powerful, versatile, and safe tool. It's a must-have for any serious DIYer or professional. What we like. This powerful bandsaw features a variable speed dial for precise control and a built-in light for enhanced visibility. If you need a portable bandsaw for demanding applications, this is the one. Its variable speed and powerful motor make it suitable for various materials and cutting needs. What people say. Have several of these in the field. They are arguably the best portable band saw on the market. The rubber shoes will wear out after a while, but that's an easy item to replace. Made in Japan, not China. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.